What is up, everyone? This is Mo Tutorials here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Windows error that says the application was unable to start correctly, 0xc0000005. I believe I said all the zeros right. You'll see it in the title. So let's get right into this. All you need to do to basically fix this type of error is to download this specific Visual C++ update. You just write Visual Runtime AIO, and you'll see this specific one, basically all in one, update pop up. Once you're in here, you're going to just press the download button over here. It's a fairly small update file. You're going to extract everything as you see literally in this file over here, and you're going to do install all.bat, basically a command file, a Windows batch file, I should say, that's going to run this and install everything that you basically need. This is probably the easier way to do this. You could try to like repair it all, or just straight up try to re-download Visual C++ and see if that fixes it for you. But this is, again, a quicker, faster way to fix this specific error for you. It even tells you exactly how to install it. You just run as an administrator, like I always tell you in all my videos to do, and then you'll install it, and then that's basically it. You should be good to go. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, got a channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Mo Tutorials out. Peace.